In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for HostGator hosting. Whether you're starting your first blog or looking to expand your online presence with multiple websites, HostGator offers reliable and robust hosting solutions tailored to your needs. Let's dive right into the process. First, start by visiting HostGator's web hosting plans page. Here, you'll be greeted with a variety of hosting options. The key is to choose one that best fits your needs. If you plan to run just a single website, the Hatchling plan might be your ideal choice. It's simple, straightforward, and perfect for newcomers or those with minimal web hosting needs. However, if you're looking to host multiple websites, the Baby plan allows for unlimited domains under one account, giving you scalability and convenience. For those seeking more advanced features, perhaps for a business or a larger online presence, the Business plan should catch your eye. It includes extras like a free dedicated IP and useful SEO tools to enhance your site's search engine rankings. Once you've decided which plan suits you best, click on the Buy Now button to proceed. Next, it's time to choose a domain name. You have two choices here. If you want to start fresh, you can register a new domain. Simply enter the domain name you desire. Make sure it's catchy, relevant, and easy to remember. Alternatively, if you already own a domain, you can opt to use it. Just select the option, I already own this domain, and fill in your existing domain name. As a tip, consider adding domain privacy protection. This is an extra layer of security that keeps your personal information out of public WHOS databases, shielding you from potential spam and other privacy concerns. Satisfied with your domain choice? Go ahead and click Continue to move to the next step. Now, it's time to enter your personal information to set up your account. Start by providing a valid email address where HostGator can reach you with important updates and account details. Then, fill in your personal details, including your name, address, and a contact phone number. Take a moment to create a secure password for your account. Remember, strong passwords typically include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, enter your payment information. Be thorough and accurate to avoid any issues with your purchase. Before wrapping up, it's wise to review all the information you've entered. Double-check everything for accuracy, ensuring there are no mistakes. Once you're certain that all the details are correct, click on Check Out Now. And there you have it. You've successfully signed up for HostGator hosting, paving the way for your website endeavors. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!